Hey Glamfam, so today we are going to be doing another beginner-friendly makeup. I know I've been coming out with a lot of these lately, but you guys seem to really like them, so I'm gonna keep doing them and start a series, and this is gonna be like a really cool beginner-friendly series. How are you today? How are you guys doing? What day are you on in the quarantine or stay-at-home order? I would love to know down below. I think it's day 6 for quarantine for us, stay-at-home in Michigan. Really quick, hello, my name is Josie. I put new videos out on my channel every single week, and here lately in this dark time, I've been putting out a lot more than I usually do. I did start a personal channel. It's called Josie K. We don't show up in the search results yet because we're so little baby. I will link it in the description box below if you guys would like to check it out and maybe hit that subscribe button. I haven't put out any yet, but I am going to soon and I'm really excited. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is prime. This is the Sigma eyeshadow base primer. You guys already know I absolutely love this primer. If you would like to check it out, I do have a link of it in the description of this video. And after we have put that onto our eyelid, we are going to blend it out with a beauty blender. And then we're going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just set that base. And then we're going to go into this amazing palette called Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. And we're going to go in with Queen and blend that into our crease with a fluffy brush. Always start with a little amount of product here. You can always build the product as you blend, darkening it little by little as you go. Then we're going to run that same color with a flat brush underneath our eye, building that slowly up as well. Match the other eye and move on to the next color, which is the second and last color that we're going to add to this eye look, and it is called Pillow Talk. We are going to start by just applying that onto our lid and going back into the color gradually and building this up slowly. In between each layer, we're going to want to take the blending fluffy brush against the line that we are trying to blend out into the transition shade. After we have that blended, go ahead and go back in with the same flat brush that you used before to pack more color on, and then once again go over that edge to blend it out into the transition shade until you are happy with the look of the blend. And then we're going to go back in with that flat brush and run that same color underneath our eyes, making sure to blend it into Queen, then match the other eye. And we're going to move on to our liner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and once again, you guys do not have to do a winged liner. You can literally just wear this with some mascara and you will be golden, or you can just do a regular liner and then put some falsies on and you're golden, or no liner and some falsies, however you want to do it. I, however, am going to be adding a little baby wing. Then we're going to tightline and add our lashes. Our lashes that we're using today are by Black Label Lash, and these are in the style Nora. They are beautiful, absolutely stunning. And once we have our eyelashes on, we are going to move on to our lipstick. Today we're going to be using Stila's liquid lipstick in Becca. Sorry I'm out of frame a little bit in this section of the video, guys. I didn't even realize it. And then we're going to be going in with this Color Pop blush in Cheerio. It is this gorgeous pinky cranberry mauve color. And then once we are done with blush, we are going to go in with highlight. Today we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighting palette. We're going to mix two colors, these two colors, the pinky and the gold, and we are going to highlight our face. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to check out my new channel in the description below. We don't come up in the search results yet because we're so little. But it would be awesome if you guys would go check it out and maybe subscribe. And yeah. I hope you guys are staying positive in this dark time, and just know you are not alone. Listen, my anxiety is off the charts right now, so you are not alone, and I love you guys. Try and find things that you love to occupy your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!